Wala namang ano, hindi makapiright. Parang manager na taga-kuman mo ito. Mamaya pa to sis, hintay pa ang ano, governor. Pupunta yung governor. Pupunta yung governor. Supported. Last ano, sama pa. Diba? Outro. ako. Diba? Ililigot ko ako. Kasali ko. Kasali siya. Sino-sino kasama niya. Sino makakasama sa polo?
Ganda, sabi mo gusto. After naman na natin.
Yes, sir. Yung ano, Sir Pampanga. Pauline, ano na?
May event pa po ba? Yes. May event pa
Ha?
ba?
Meron ako. May event ka bukas.
Sa
Eh, ano? Message ka ba ni James?
H2?
Hindi, ni James Rodriguez. Sa ano, Mr.
Ano yan? Sis?
Isa sa ano meron?
May event.
Send off. Press call.
Anong event?
Send off first ko ni ano? Partner. Sir Pilipinas. Yung lalaban sa ano ba to?
Yan o kay Mixer sa Pilipinas.
Oo. Kaya tinanong ko may ano ba to? May keme ba to? So, may... Oo naman, sure ha. Papaligid naman. Mamaya utang na lang. Buti tinanong mo. Oo, tinanong ko na. Sabi ko, yung ano nga, tatanungin ko na to. Di talaga, ano, sabi ko, baka ano ba to? Kasi, yung ano, like sa coffee, ano. Naging fresh si ano. Yes, sir. Maliwalas sa kanila.
Yan yung taga-USA.
Yun lang. Yes, sir?
Pero sa US siya galing.
Yes, pa siya dati. USC. Yes, sir? Ano ko taga rito lang siya? Pampanga siya talaga.
Mapapangga nga, pero galing siya US. Umuwi ng Pampanga, sumali siya.
Hindi siya yun.
Kaya tanongin mo.
Kasi taga rito lang siya. Siya Hindi ko nanonood ka ng Mr. Pampanga.
Oo nga, nandito nga. Pero I mean, kumbaga sa US siya galing. Kumbaga, parang pamilya niya tapos siyempre dito yung town niya. Parang
Hindi ko lang alam. Pagkakalang ko dito lang.
siya yung CSR naman example.
Hindi ata siya dati. Last year.
Na natin siya.
Tingnan mo, ito.
True lang siya.
Diba? Ay, grabe naman yung gilong. Natuloy ko. Kasi ano, may ano dito sikat dito.
Pero magaling ah.
Diba?
Di ba nga si Jose?
Ay, oo. Correct.
Bumagay sa kanya.
Very nice.
Yung event natin ng November. Wala na. November.
Yung last?
Oo.
Basta ano tayo? Thailand tayo. Miss Universe. Diba?
Ngayong year, anong ano ba? Month?
Ang alin?
Miss Universe. Sabagay din naman
Wala
tayo.
pa. Wala pang
Walang cancer.
wala pang kailan pa coronation ng Miss Universe.
Hindi ko ano. Kailan ba yan?
Ang alin?
Coronation ng MMH.
May. May 3 daw.
May truly.
Oo, parang ano.
So,
Tapos after nun, makakapagano tayo. Bakit?
Kasi uuwi ako.
Ayun.
1 to 7
Ay, oo.
ako.
Uwi ka.
Mapaparibok na naman ako.
Oo nga sis.
Oo.
Kasi May.
Pag-book mo yun. Oo naman, alam mo namang ano.
Kailan
Ko alam baka magbago pa eh.
Ha?
May 1 to 3, 1 to 7 ako. Tingnan natin. Pwede naman mag-review. Wala mo, mag-8, May 8, di ba?
Pero first week daw.
First week. Kasi yung ano, yung Mr.
Mr. Ano?
King International.
Oo.
Naghahanap ng media partner.
Mr. King.
Wala.
Mr. Ano sino yun?
Di ba yung reigning king natin? Ano mga sa Mr. King International? Reigning tayo. Mr. King International. Nakahanap siya ng media partner. Kaya nga, ano ko sana kayo. Kasi November yun eh. Kami naman.
Ngayon ano mo?
Oo. Bet mo ba?
Saan to gaganapin? Dito sa Pinas.
Ito yan sa Pilipinas.
Tapos,
This November.
ang ano siya, anong November ano siya?
Ang first week na
Pwede naman. May anesthesia no? Oo, yun. Pwede naman.
kami ko.
Oo, week na. Ano siya, sinong rating dito? Philippines. Ito, wala akong matao kasi.
Taga ano, Pangasinan.
Siya
Siya yung reigning.
At sinong ano nito? Sinong owner nito?
Wala, nag-message siya sa akin. Pero legit naman siya.
Ano sa ano? Sa Philippines?
Mr. King International. Ano, video partner.
Wala kasi, sige mo kami.
Sige, kami ko kayo. Kasi naghahanap pa siya. International. Dito kasi gaganapin, November. Hindi ko alam. Organization naman.
Kano ba? 1 week ba?
Oo, 1 week.
Yung coverage, no? Magkano ba budget? Magkano bang ano niya?
Magkano ka?
Ay, quit.
Sabi ako.
Ano naman, pwede naman ano. Kasi technically, tapos kung pwede niyang ano, kahit sabihin natin sa
20 ganun.
15, gano'n. Pero yung 10, ano na yun, mababa na siya.
Type siya. Hi guys! Stay tuned for the announcement of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga representative for this year's Miss Universe Philippines. Don't forget to share this live, guys. Hi, Kalalabs. Ano na? Sino kaya ang representative? Comment nyo na, guys. If you know the queen. Of course. Yes, dear. Appointment. Appointment sila, guys. Kalalas mag-appoint lang sila this year. So, wala silang pageant for Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. They will be appointing beauty queens.
Haba na pageant, friend.
FB. Meta.
Hindi ka na naglalag sa YouTube.
Ito na sa picture. Ita-download ko na lang yan. Pag-international. Pag-international. Pero makasaan. President. feel ko. Oh. Okay.
Ginawa ni Ma'am.
Ano na?
Ginawa ni
Ay, lang nagpakain ko.
Hindi pa kanina. Nakita mo yung
Ako ba?
bakit nabayaran sa kanilang training. Eh, ito pa ako may pagpapakulan. Ren. Kaya ko na. Awa, sige, jadi, kita tadi masih bilang kamu yang bukan menarik.
Paano ko sa Apple? Parang makubingin.
Pero hindi ko naman kain ka na ako. Red ang phone.
Pinili namin ni Ellie.
Ano?
Kaya mo niya, oh.
Airport ano?
Punta na sa bahay niya. Referential. Red ang phone.
Malaman din nila kung ginagawa.
Sa lahat ng mga cakes, siya ang pinakamakakita.
Wala siyang kasamang ano. Ano yan?
Bahay niya na.
Yung may scandal na si Rafael and
Sira pa naman siya.
Nalabot ko na dala to eh, Mr. International. Kasi yun o.
Mr. International San Pedro. Anciano.
Wala nga.
Yaman na siya.
Yayaman din tayo.
Hindi ano yan. Puro ano yan. Sponsors.
Sponsor. Inaano niya yung Ipon Henry.
Na-inspired to see is
Bet.
Lalagyan ko niya, kunin ko yan. Baka nila yung gold ang pound eh.
Ex-senador. Ex-senadora Miriam Sancho.
Ingrid.
Tinatakpan ko nga po eh.
Sa palit niya, hindi niya kayo. Kaya di, igawan mo na. Wala mo naman. Nagkaroon natin. Kaya ba mo na? Correct.
Pakalaga niya. Mag-send ka ng stars, mag-start na. Amen. Nirepost ko.
Sino na?
Yan mismo may ari na kayo.
Ipakandito ko ni Edward.
Naka-credit sa kanya. Ayaw niyong ma-share sa iba.
Ano siya sa kanya?
Parang content.
Ayan, pa-start na po.
Nag-edit.
Start na pinatay na yung ilaw.
Parang graphics kines.
Lalabas na po siya sa Maiwan.
We are fearfully and wonderfully made in the likeness of our Creator. For we are His workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for His good works. Let us all rise as we honor the presence of God.
So, alright, na start.
Start na guys.
Start na guys.
Start na tayo mag-set ng start.
Let's bow our heads and place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Lord, we stand before you in humble prayer before we start this program. We realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and divine wisdom to all of us present here, so we can cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater glory of your name. Bless also those we have left behind our homes. May you grant them peace and happiness as they go about their activities. Bless people around the globe that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of your love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
You may now take your seats.
Please don't forget to share this live streaming, guys.
Your host for today, People's Choice for Best Active Heroic Central is on Joaquina Peña and Pinipini Pilipinas Globe 2024, Jasmine Bogay. Hello, Pampanga, and hello, Universe.
Maya Paaldo Kabalen, this is truly the most exciting and beautiful day for Pampanga.
Today is more than just a gathering. It is a celebration of purpose, pride, and the beginning of a new journey for Pampanga on the Miss Universe Philippines stage.
I agree, Joaquin. Our Miss Universe Pampanga that we will be presenting today carries not only grace and confidence, but more importantly, the voice and values that of every Kapampangan she represents. So to our local media partners, our pageant vloggers, our provincial government of Pampanga and respective LGUs, our guests and sponsors, dakal at dakal pong salamat for gracing this very momentous event for MUPH Pampanga.
Thank you so much to all of you. And before we move forward, allow us to acknowledge the people working behind the scenes of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. This team plays a vital role in shaping the journey of our candidate.
From preparation to representation, this team will ensure that Pampanga is presented with excellence, integrity, and purpose.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team. Let's welcome our contributing team. Contributing hairstylist, Mia Cordero. Pasarela trainer, Amaya Loyola. Makeup artist, Brian Quizon. Contributing videographer, Alex Anunuevo. Contributing hairstylist, Dale Mandiani.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to meet our Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team. Starting off with Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga Beauty Director, we have Malone Ursel Bangan. Our Styling Director, we have Nika Miglat. Our Fashion Director, we have RJ Ryan Guevara. Our Multimedia Director, we have Ryan Ordonez. Our Partnership and Logistics Head, we have Joaquin Abrenica. Our Marketing and Creative Director, we have Ryan Manawan. MUPH Pampanga Pageant Director, JP Lumba. And of course, our MUPH Pampanga Provincial Director, Mr. Michael Kakay Munoz.
Why na bilis?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for his message, let's hear it from our Provincial Director of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Mr. Michael Kakay Munoz.
Thank you very much, Joaquin. Thank you very much, Jasmine. A pleasant afternoon, one and all. Welcome to Pampanga. Madaos to Phuket, Pampanga. My name is Michael Kakay Munoz, and I'm the local director for Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. Before we start off, we'd like to acknowledge very important people who were able to make this event truly wonderful and special with all your presence. Coming from Miss Universe Philippines organization, first in the list, of course, we have Mr. Arnold Mercado. Mama Ru, palakpakan po natin. And we also would like to acknowledge the presence of the provincial force of Pampanga, our Pampanga Tourism Officer, no less than very good friend of mine, Mr. Michael Castaneda. Of course, we'd like to have the formidable team of Angeles LGU, of course, headed today, this afternoon, Ma'am Reyna, the beautiful Ma'am Reyna. Maraming salamat po for gracing our events. Members of the press, our friends from the event industry, syempre the local press, all our pageant vloggers. This event is truly made special because of all your presence, and that we will be wearing, that of course, we will be making this event truly memorable with all your presence. Syempre din po, I would like to acknowledge the presence of my sisters in the Miss Universe organization from 2024, 2025, and 2026 under the tutelage, of course, of Miss Emil De Jos. I think they're also here supporting. Thank you very much. To begin, of course, our journey for the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga for edition 2026, it all began with one thing: the universe conspires. I always believe on that thought that when one thing, all our wishful wishes, same thing with our hopes, if the universe conspires, things will just happen with no effort at all. The story behind this is the first testament in which the universe conspires with us is an amicable and at the same time a very smooth transition from one leadership to another leadership, and that we are supporting each other. the sisterhood, the pageantry, the camaraderie that it has fostered in each and every one of us made the transition from the leadership from the former LD, Ms. Amiel, to our new team, MUP Pampanga. All we can say and all I could say is the universe conspired with that decision. And then the second thing here is we were able to announce that there's going to be a huge pageant for Pampanga, especially looking for our official candidates to the Miss Universe stage. However, for some serendipitous turnout of events, we were able to change our strategy this year that instead of putting up a huge pageant, in which way back December, we also organized the Mutya Dito Pampangan. I was truly hopeful and wishing that in that circle of 22 beautiful women would rise our candidate for Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. True enough, the universe conspired again. And with that, the pageant that we were about to mount was eventually parang put into a hold. And that we are creating a bigger pageant for next year's edition, but for this year, we are creating one statement that one Pampanga, that Pampanga being a powerhouse, not only in the local stage, but international stage, we are all one in supporting a candidate truly worthy of the crown. And I hope with all your presence here with our team and with your help in making this this thing possible, our wishes possible, let's all manifest and whisper one more time to the universe that the next winner for Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga is coming from, or Miss Universe Philippines is coming from Pampanga. With that, folks, maraming salamat po and enjoy the concert.
Thank you so much to our provincial director for making MUPH Pampanga 2026 happen. And at this point, as she takes her farewell walk and delivers her farewell speech, let us celebrate her journey and the incredible impact she has made.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the reigning Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2025, Francois Mayalitan. Let us all celebrate her journey and the incredible impact she has made.
Good evening, everyone. When I first stepped into this journey, the crown was never meant for me. Yet, in the most unexpected way, I was crowned as the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. I know everything happens for a reason, and I know God has better plans for me. That's why I was ordained and crowned as Pampanga's queen. Many people expressed their doubts. And I myself had a lot of doubts too. But I chose to see these doubts as not a form of rejection, but I see these doubts as a divine appointment because I know I have a calling to do. I want to thank the former team of the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga under the leadership of Miss Amy De Dios, Sir Jay and Miss Izzy. Thank you so much for believing in me and for trusting me throughout the whole journey. And to the newest team, headed by Sir Kakay, thank you so much. I am honored that you are welcoming me and honoring my reign. And I also want to thank the whole Miss Universe organization and my fellow beauty queens for the experience that I will never forget. I would also want to thank the people of Candaba, all the Kapampangan people, and the people of Marinduque, because that is the birthplace of my father, and you were also supportive of my journey. Thank you for standing by my side throughout my journey. I also want to thank my designers throughout the whole journey, Sir Bench, Ken and Jeb, Ma'am Saima Kapagal, even Sir Mato. Thank you so much for bringing your creatures to life. I also want to thank my makeup artists, Tara Reyes, Harry Castro, Liel. Thank you so much for bringing out the best in me. And of course, I want to thank my family, most especially my Papa, Mama, my sister Mara, and the love of my life, Ken, for dreaming with me, even though the dream felt heavy. And I also want to thank all the doctors, my fellow doctors, and other healthcare professionals for letting me know that beauty is not just about superficial. It is found in service, compassion, and integrity. And to all my patients, most especially those fighting with kidney diseases, the reason why my advocacy was rooted, thank you so much because you strengthened me so much. Even though my reign comes to an end, I will forever treasure the memories I have gained with the Miss Universe Philippines. As I end this reign, I will still continue my purpose as a doctor and as a Filipina, because all of the values that I've learned are very impactful and will really help me to live a life that is really worth fighting for and worth going for. Today, I lay down this crown, but I rise for forever leading the service. And to the next Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga, congratulations. May you carry well the crown with so much humility and courage. May you lead with grace and purpose, stay true to your values, and You felt so much honor and privilege to represent Pampanga with all of your heart. Thank you so much. Once again, I am Ranch from Marie Morales Tasmailitan, your Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2025.
Thank you so much, our reigning queen, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give her a big round of applause. And now let's celebrate the homecoming of our queens. Joining on stage is Miss Universe Philippines Angeles City 2025, Miss Ira De Castro.
Once again, a big round of applause to our Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga Queens.
And now, I know everyone here is excited to know kung sino nga ba ang ating Miss Universe Philippines 2026. And now, I have one question. Pampanga, are you ready? The whole wait is finally over. This is it. The new Miss Universe Pampanga 2026 is...
What do you think, guys?
the name of Pampanga in the Miss Universe Philippines stage this 2026.
And at this point, we will be having our ceremonial contract signing. May I call on Attorney Lala Arong, our Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga Legal Counsel, together with Mr. Arnold Mercado of the Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Everyone, you're all witnessing the signing of the contract under a new organization for Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026.
And finally, our contract is finally sealed.
This marks the beginning of a beautiful journey for Pampanga and the Miss Universe Philippines stage.
Sa ulahan ng aso. Ayan si Sin. Double L. Single S. Half headland.
To our media partners, our budget vloggers, please get ready your questions. And our new Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026 will answer all of your questions.
And we are now opening our floor for your questions. So to our local media partners, to our pageant vloggers, I see some familiar faces here. And everyone watching us via live questions? Everyone will look forward to an engaging and insightful discussion. So, who will shoot their first question? We have a mic at the back.
Hello.
Hi po, how are you?
Fine. Good afternoon, everyone. My question is, Katay, how do you select? What's the criteria in selecting Miss Universe Open?
There will always be two ways in order for you to select po, the Miss Universe Pampanga winner. First, of course, through a traditional pageant or through an appointment. So in the past years, we've been doing pageants, but only for this year that we are somehow sure that a pageant is no longer needed because we already have a winner, and that is in the person of Alison Hetland. So it was kind of crucial that during her competition in Mutiani Kapampangan, I was truly hopeful that sana si Alison ang manalo because I know Kapapangans, they're a little bit clannish in terms of like how they support their queens. That you cannot just, get someone from the outside, put a crown on her, and she's already Miss Universe Pampanga. But this, lady on my left, she was able to ace Mutiani Kapampangan. And the entire Kapampangan fans, pageant fans, are all looking forward what will be next for her. And it no longer is a mystery, no longer is a surprise. She is Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga.
We made the right choice for her.
Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Jennifer Serenga from Balita Balita. Alison, first of all, congratulations. Personally, we've seen your growth sa pageantry from being Miss Angeles and then Mutiani Kapampangan 2025. And now, as the official candidate of MEPH, how are you preparing for this? And ano yung naging reaction mo nung ikaw pinili ng official representative? Because this is already a national competition, and of course we're hoping and praying na you will also represent the Philippines on the international stage. So, how are you preparing for it? Paano mo tinatanggap lahat ng itong sunod-sunod na pagkapanalo mo?
Hi, Ms. Jennifer. Thank you so much for taking the time and being here. Paano ba ako prepare? Well, obviously it should be a holistic approach. Pageantry is like a sport actually. So you train physically, mentally, emotionally, and together with Sir Kakay, Sir Brian, and the whole team, we are already setting up like schedules for trainings and such. And paano ba ako napunta dito? Super big thanks po sa Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team. It is such a great responsibility to, bring the Pampanga name in the pageant platform. Especially sobrang ng Pampanga, para siyang powerhouse ng beauty queens. So I think perfect time siya kasi I just graduated. I just passed my board exams, and after the Mutiani Kapampangan journey, it was all just aligning, and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Sir Kakay, masyado mas kaya 500 questions naman po, Sir Kakay. Pageants today are expected to produce leaders and just winners. How does this organization measure the success after the crown is placed today? And what outcomes will define a meaningful reign for Miss Alison?
how do we first, of course, measure the success? They say that anything that you cannot imagine or anything that you cannot calculate, you cannot measure, right? During our conversations in the past, we were able to see lots of, we created a rubric of what would be the face or who should be the face of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. And I think Allison was able to tick all those boxes, that she is free from any impediment, such as from moral impediment, obligatory from business, or any contracts. So she is more than ready to conquer the universe. And I think with Pampanga being a powerhouse, we were able to create a core team that is much solid in supporting only one candidate for the pageant. So as we've known that we basically are, we could send as much as we can, right, to the pageant. However, we did a very crucial decision na isa lang po ang aming ipapadala for Miss Universe pageant this year, because we don't want to have, an undivided attention. We don't want to have parang in terms of like who should be the priority and all that, because at the end of the day, we all live in Pampanga, and whoever will be representing our beautiful province in that big stage or prestigious stage of Miss Universe, it all reflects the values, the virtues, and what Pampanga could actually offer not only to the nationals, but in a global setup. And that is why we're very glad to announce that we were able to see all those things to Allison, and we hope that the entire Philippines will as well embrace the way we see her.
Thank you, Sir Kakay. For our queen, Miss Allison Hetland.
Hello po.
Hello again. Before I ask my question for you, special request, can you say hi to our Allison Hetland Fans Club President, JP Manala?
Hi, Sir JP Manala. It's so nice to see you here.
For Miss Allison, if given, let's say fast forward, if given a national attention tomorrow, what Pampanga issue would you raise first? And why should the country listen to you?
Pampanga issue. I feel like Pampanga deserves the title as the culinary capital of the Philippines. And this would be the issue that I would raise. And I believe a lot of Filipinos would agree that Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines. And we really do deserve that title. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My question is for Sir Ryan, Marketing and Creative Director for MPH. So, Sir Brian, alam naman natin, Pampanga is the powerhouse of pageants, as our reigning queen just said right ago. And also a province of creatives under the helm of Mr. Kakay Munoz and being the Marketing and Creative Director. How are we preparing for our current Queen's representation? And ano ang pasabog na aabangan natin for this year's edition of MPH?
Thank you, Sir Gerald, for the question. So, how we prepared for the strategy or the marketing for Allison is very simple. We actually wanted to stick with her branding. So, if you've been following her journey ever since she won Mutianing Angeles, her branding is very class, very expensive, very sophisticated. So, our take on that is to amp it up a bit, but at least, or should I say, helping her elevate it even more for the national stage. So in terms of the pasabos that we're preparing for her, expect, well, it's bad to expect, but I want everyone to expect great things from Kapampangan designers, Kapampangan creatives, because this is a really great collaboration for the Kapampangan creatives community.
Thank you very much. Looking forward.
Medyo pageantology. Ganda-ganda mo ayos, no?
Thank you so much.
Lumalati na. Of course, this is my favorite questions. Like 101 of your standing of Miss Universe Philippines. Can you give us 3 interesting facts or trivia about you na gusto mo i-share sa amin?
Interesting facts about me. I am a registered nurse. I grew up in Angeles City, and I am 6 foot tall. But right now I'm at 6'4" with my 4 inches heels. But yeah, I think those three facts are very interesting to me because for one, I really worked hard to be a registered nurse, and it was my blood, sweat, and tears. So to be able to bring that background in a national pageant, I feel like that could also be my edge because I'm also planning to incorporate it with my growing advocacy and cause, which we will all hear more about that. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
First of all, congratulations. I'm Jill Lopez from Pageant Nobles and also from the province of Rizal. My question is actually personally about you, because you mentioned you're 6 foot tall. And may I know the challenges you experience as someone who's taller than the average? And what is your message to other women who are as tall or somehow tall as you, who are also facing the same challenges?
So have you asked that actually? Because my height used to be my insecurity. Growing up here in the Philippines, I'm usually the odd one out. Even in school, I'm always lagi akong nasa likod pag pumipila. But, my mom was always telling me, anak, magiging edge mo yan paglaki mo. And true enough, it did become my edge, and I learned to embrace it because I feel like it's what makes me me, truly me. And my message to everyone who are like me is, you just have to embrace it because that's you. God made you that way, and use it to your best advantage. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations.
First and foremost, thank you so much for inviting us from Manila. And I think this is one of the biggest presentation of the candidates that we've attended so far. Kasi masyado yung pinaghandaan po. Congratulations. So I would like to ask, as we all know naman na Pampanga Queens are very strong when it comes to national stage. So my question for you is, what do you think is the secret or the recipe of having a strong candidate? Especially you, I can finally see that you will be one of the frontrunners for this year's Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you so much for that. I feel like the secret is Kapampangan food. Charot. Charot lang. No, the secret is, I feel like since Pampanga is so into pageantry, us women, pag napapalapit kami sa aming mga mama-mama, hindi namin namamalayan na parang natatrain na din pala kami at a very young age. So I feel like, diba, Kapampangans are known as well to be very maporma. And, it's just in our upbringing, I feel like. And hindi kami lumalabas ng bahay na hindi maayos, hindi nakaset up. But, yeah, I feel like it all adds together, which is why when we're out in public, we know how to carry ourselves. And it shows. I feel like other people see it as well. So, that's it.
Thank you. And just, I have a question. Kasi when they offered you to be counted as Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga, nagkaroon ba ng hesitation to accept this or nag-go ka na agad when they asked you?
I did have a few meetings with Sir Kakay and Sir Brian because obviously I had to consult my mom, the people that I trust in my life. But I feel like the
this is an opportunity na it only comes once, probably, and I didn't want to let it go na din, deep down. So I'm glad, again, that everything was aligning for me, for Sir Akay, for Sir Ryan. It was just such a good harmony.
Thank you. Congratulations to you. Next one.
See you.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Jay from Pageantry. First, thank you for having us, Sir Kapay, and as well as congratulations in advance to our newly crowned as such Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. So my question for you is, so since you've been joining a lot of pageants here in Pampanga, what do you think is the most challenging part of joining the pageants?
The most challenging part is, to be honest, I feel like it's the mental capacity to take it all in. It can get very draining. Pageants can get very draining, and I believe you should have very strong core and know that syempre po may mga outside noise saying this and saying that comments, and you need to have tough skin, especially if you're in the industry. And ako naman, how I take it is the pasok dito, labas doon, and that's it. That's how you move on in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I have a question for the users, local director of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. What's your plan about the newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga when it comes to her journey?
Right after her stint in Botanical Pampanga, we were able to identify some weak points that she needed to improve on, such as her passerella and stage presence. Miss Universe takes so much pride about its branding that we would want Allison to improve her commanding presence up on stage. Obviously, she is already beautiful. That is why it's a leverage na, diba? But to have a beautiful face up on stage, it's not just enough for you to win the crown. That is why we are creating the other recipes that would propel her to advance to the semis and hopefully sa finals ng Miss Universe. So we are preparing her from her styling to her passerella, the way she faces the media, the crowd, how she presents herself. It needs to be holistic. Not just mentally, not just physically, but it needs to be a holistic approach in order for her to win the crown and eventually cement her position in the Miss Universe pageants.
Thank you so much, Juan. Congratulations.
Alright, good afternoon everyone, and of course congratulations to MEPH Pampanga for staging this event. By the way, this is Steve Ozone, your Coronani and Pageant Media. Hello, Allison.
Hi, Sir Lee.
It's been a while.
I know.
Yeah, the last time I saw you was, I think, our Q&A collab, no, in a coffee shop. Let's just take this quick, no. What makes you a modern day Miss Universe Pampanga?
What makes me a modern day Miss Universe Pampanga is I am dedicated, I am compassionate, and I am in it to win it. I feel like I may be a new face or a newbie, as some would say, but I know what I bring to the table, and I cannot wait for the universe to see what's in store. Thank you.
Thank you.
From Central Luzon Business Week, and I just wanted to ask you, nakakain ka na ba yung last night ko, Tika Tayo?
Po, nakagaling ako ng konti.
So, gusto ko lang, tanungin sa iyo, yung being a nurse, working in Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga candidate, which role challenged you the most and why? Ika-guess mo natin
As a nurse, sir, actually, I just passed the November PNLE, so I haven't worked yet in the hospital setting, aside from my on-the-job trainings in my college days. But I do wanna, like I said, I do wanna bring in
to the national stage as well. I feel like I want to focus on how important healthcare is, especially in the Philippines. I feel like it's most often overlooked. And I want to impose that, health truly is wealth. So that's how I plan to focus it all on. Thank you.
Thank you. And luwid na rin mga lagong kapapangan.
Hi, everybody. Congratulations, Alison. My question goes to Sarah. I'm just curious, what is the inspiration in the crown design?
Crown design. Actually, the inspiration is not really that disclosed because what we did was we tapped one of the best artisans we have here in Pampanga, which is Chola Yuyao. So when we were talking about magka-crown ba tayo, magpapagawa ba tayo ng crown, so the first person in mind that I suggested is Sir Cholo, which is from Angeles City. And again, as you can see, when an artist is given the freedom to create art, ang ganda po na naman, especially when you tap onto someone so credible like Sir Cholo. So, when we asked Sir Cholo kung ano ang pangalan ng crown, he did not want to name the crown. Meron siyang aliyah na sinasabi na, let's not opt for naming things this time and just let it be beautiful as they are. So the crown, it's your interpretation as kung ano nakikita niyo, but for me, I think it's inspired by the lanterns of Pampanga. Yan po.
Yeah, in addition to what Brian said, the crown is basically an offspring of the current Miss Universe Philippines crown. So as you see that it's actually adorned by pearls, but there are also kaleidoscopic patterns just like the parol of Pampanga. So Pampanga being bright, Pampanga being colorful in terms of culture and heritage, and with all its magnificence of the pearls, Cholo Ayuya was able to create a masterpiece as beautiful as this crown on Alison's head. Thank you, Sir Alfie.
Good afternoon, Ferdy from Eventology. Congratulations, Alison, and congratulations to the new MUPH Pampanga team. My question for you is, going into the nationals, what is your best trait or attribute that will make you win Miss Universe Philippines?
My best trait or attribute, I feel like I have a new set, fresh of eyes that, a new perspective that I can show to the universe. And I believe this would make me a strong candidate because who doesn't want a fresh perspective, am I right? So yun, I believe that's my biggest and strongest asset in this national pageant. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Kuya. First, congratulations, Alison, and to the whole team of Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga. So, quick story lang. So last year, when Alison, we ran together during the Pride.
Pride. I think it was a fun run.
Okay, so as a first question, so we posted your video and photos a while ago. So there are a lot of pageant fans who asked, is she a half or full-blooded Filipino?
So, for everyone's information, I am half Filipino and half American. But I was born and raised here in the Philippines.
Okay, follow-up question regarding that. What's your message to all the pageant fans na nagsasabi na ay nagbabash ng Filipino beauty queens na half-blooded? Like just like Atisa, naka-receive siya ng bashing kasi she's half Filipina, half Finnish. Catriona, half Filipina, half Australian. So what's your message to those Filipinos na babash ng
I feel like being half-blooded Filipina doesn't take away from the fact that you are a Filipina. And I don't think it deserves any bashing at all because, again, you're half Filipino and half American. For me, in my case, I'm half Filipino, half American. I don't think it takes away from anything for as long as, you know, you carry your values, you know your roots and your culture. That's all you should care about, in my opinion. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are down to our last 2 questions.
Hello, good afternoon. So Anton from Pageant. So congratulations to Ryan and Kakay. Okay, so Alison, if you win the crown, of course the Miss Universe Philippines crown, what can you offer to the organization, especially to Mama Ru and Mama Jane?
Narinig ko si Sir Mike, sabi niya sisig daw po. No, all jokes aside, if I do win the crown, I think what I can offer is, you know, again, like I said a while ago, a new perspective, but aside from that, I feel like just by me being how I really am, my true authentic self, I feel like that would be a great addition to the organization. And, you know, hopefully that would allow me to tap and work with other people in the industry that would help not just myself, but also themselves grow. So I feel like that would be a great addition. Thank you so much.
Last one.
Hi, Alison. Congratulations.
Nice
Okay, just to end this, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga makakalaban mo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026?
My message to my co-candidates, I am so excited. Syempre, I can see on social media kung sino ba yung baka may mga babalik, baka may new faces. But above all, I'm very excited to see everyone enjoy the journey and experience, soak in as much as I can the whole Miss Universe Philippines journey. And I can't wait to see how everything unfolds. Watch out.
Miss Alison, hindi ito question. Parang just to push your confidence tungkol sa sinasabing half-half issue na before. Pag nagpakilala ka daw, ganito, I'm Harrison Gatlan.
And that concludes our press conference. So we're grateful to see all of you here today. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for our new Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2026. Alison
And once again, these are your hosts, Joaquin Obrega and Jasmine Bugay, signing off.
Thank you so much, everyone. Opportunity. May we invite the Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga team to please join Alison on stage for the third opportunity.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Lika na sis, lapit tayo.
Joshua and Lane. the venue.